Hello, welcome in Oracle BPM 12VC course. In this course, I will show you how you can build a complete business flow. I am Sameh Nassar. I am Senior Oracle Fusion Middleware. Before we start this course will target a beginner developers. So if it is the first time you hear about the BPM and you don't know exactly how you can start developing BPM application, in this course, I will give you the first step and overview about how you can use the BPM. You should have some basic knowledge about Java, and I prefer to have a EDF knowledge as well because we will use EDF project in the BPM. By completing this course, you should be able to develop a complete business process using Oracle BPM. Your PC should have at least 8 GB free RAM because the G developer will have embedded BPM libraries and SOA libraries, so it will consume a lot of RAMs. So I prefer you have at least 8 GB of RAM. Course overview. So during this course, I will give you introduction to the BPM, what is actually BPM can do, and when you can say I need a BPM to develop this system. We start with downloading and installing GDeveloper, which has a BPM library. We will create BPM application. During this course, we create two BPM application to explain all features in the BPM. We will create a BPM notation manual process, BPMN manual process. Manual process, it means this process will be initiated by human task. The user should have an action to initiate and start the process. And during this course as well, we will create a process, asynchronous process. It means this process will initiated using a web service. So you can call a web service with the and this web service will start the process. We will create a third type of BPM process called the reusable process. This process will be called from another process. During this course, I will talk about the three types of process. I will talk about the BPM notations. Notations will be used to design the BPM process. In this course, I will show you how you can call a web service in your process, how you can configure email server in the web logic so that your process can send email notification. I will talk about the BPM workspace, uh, how the user can see his tasks, how you can customize workspace, how you can define the rules, how you can create shared view. So I will talk about the BPM workspace. I will show you how you can define the rules and assign user to these rules, and after deployment, how you can change or add or remove user from these rules. How you can trace the BPM instance from Enterprise Manager. I will show you how you can log into the Enterprise Manager and you can trace the BPM instance and how you can know where the instance now stop in this process and what is the payload data in each stage. I will show you how you can trace any BPM process. In this course, I will show you how you can create a business object and data object in the for a BPM payload. A business object and data object is like the data flow which will go through the BPM process. I will show you how you can create and configure human task, and you will create EDF project for each human task UI page. So to explain all these points, we will create a complete 2 BPM application during this course. During this 2 BPM application, you will know how I will explain all these points. And in the couple of next video or video after the next one, I will explain what actually we learned from the first BPM application and what we will learn in the second BPM application. So see you next video.